Alright, so today we are making mini tahdig, and the word tahdig is a Farsi word that literally translates to bottom of the pot. And it's in reference to the bottom of the pot of rice that has a hard yellow crust that many Iranians love and even fight over. I've invented a new way to make these tahdigs in these little cupcake molds so that we can minimize how much fighting there is and we can distribute the tahdig to many people. Let's get started. So we have our muffin tin or cupcake molds here, and what we want to start by doing is add some olive oil to the bottoms, and then we want to take a paper towel and kind of move it around so that it's kind of, the olive oil is evenly distributed, which helps give it a better crust. And here I have my jasmine rice, and we want to add this to every one of these holes. And there you have it. And then what we want to do is take a little sauce bowl, add olive oil to it, and then to that olive oil we want to add some turmeric and also some saffron, liquid saffron. It's just easier to use. I know it's not as good as real saffron, but easier to work with. All right. And we want to take this mixture and mix it up with one of these cooking brushes, and it should look something like that. Now we want to take this and basically just brush the top of each one of these rice molds here, and this is what's going to give it a nice yellow crust on top. That's what it looks like. And now what we want to do is put it in the oven, broiling it at a high temperature for 25 minutes. That's the starting point. And after that, we're going to bake it for an additional 25 minutes at 375 degrees. But for starters, we want to broil it for 25 minutes on high in the oven. All right, so 25 minutes are up. Let's pull it out of the oven. So this is what it looks like after 25 minutes of broiling on a high temperature. Now we want to put it back in and bake it for an additional 25 minutes at 375 degrees, and we should be done then. All right, and here is the finished product after 25 minutes of baking at 375 degrees. So, just like you would with a regular pot of rice or tahdig, you can also flip this as well. Take a look. Take a look. See that? You now have 6 pieces of rice or mini tahdigs. Look at that. Mini tahdigs. It's got a nice crunch to it too.